supposed to hold it. You gotta fix it so we can get it to go the right way for our Double D show. Desiree, I'm not over there. I'm over here.
You serious about that?
No, you just gotta turn it. Turn it. No, you're turning it. Desiree, you're. Put it down. Down. Okay, wait. Stop. Go up. Up. Side. Other side. That side. You want to get it on this side. No, wait, huh? Okay, straighten it out. This side. No, this side. Yeah, keep going that side. Okay, stop. This side. Straighten the camcorder. Straighten it. Now you can't see a thing. You, Desiree. Okay, no, really, come on, Des, come on. Okay, no, Des. Alright, wait, okay. Put it down, like as if it's gonna hang on that thing. Take the, wow, you're getting smarter and smarter. Okay, now hold it. No, up, pick it up. Right, no, have it hang on that thing like you had, yeah, okay. Now just fix the camera. No, fix the hold the camera. We'll put it there. Okay, put it down. We are going to, but we need to get it the right way. Desiree.
I got to.
That's my, okay, Desiree. Turn it to this side. I want it to be hit over here so you can see this stuff. No, not my pictures. Put it down. I don't know how I'm gonna last a week with you. Okay, right there in the middle. Okay, good. Lift it. Okay. Now see how it's slanted. Look at the camera itself. You see how it's slanted? There you go. Make it straight. Now move your head. Okay, push it to the side.
If it's this
other side.
If all I have to do is to get out and kill you.
Desiree, you're getting over here. You're getting over here. I want over here. There you go. Now push it in the middle.
It is in the middle.
No, in the middle of there. Now you're getting all over here. Alright, put it down. No! I want my mommy. What the hell was that? Oh, that was me. Okay, lift it up. Alright, there you go. Oh, no, careful. Okay, straighten the camera out. Okay. No, you moved! Push it back a little. Hey. Right there. Okay, hold that spot. Don't move.
Don't move your feet.
Okay, I won't move my feet. Just don't move. Don't move.
I can't move.
Don't move.
I need a pee. He's ready to pee. Yes, I eat too. I am, so I was gonna leave this be and like go get it, see what it is. You wanna have him in her in the thing? Or do you want me to pick it up?
No, I want you to wait a minute.
But all this is the same way.
Oh, Desiree, I'm gonna kill you.
I had it.
You moved it!
How's it?
So you itched and moved it? Okay. Desiree, like, hold that right there. Don't move it. Right there, perfect.
Come David, I have the itch again. I hope that'll stay. You don't have duct tape or like Dutch tape.
I just grabbed the closest tape next How are we supposed to do this?
Wait. Deja.
Don't let go of it. Don't let go, don't let go, don't let go.
You want me
Don't
to
let
laugh?
go.
Should I laugh?
No, don't let go of it.
Is it? You need to put it mostly right here, Deja, or else it's just gonna collapse.
I said don't let go of it. Oh, I ruined the tape thing. I lost it.
It just popped up.
Desiree, find the tape.
You want to do too many things, Deja.
Let go.
How do you lose?
I don't know how I lose tape. I just lost it.
Yeah.
Oh, Evan, I am.
I told you this.
Who's it from?
I don't know. What the
Little man says, "What's your YouTube account?" Oh. Everybody, little man says, is my buddy Nathan. Nathan, you are on our video. Yes, you are. Desiree, stop that! Desiree, give me the thingy!
Should I put my hair in a ponytail?
I don't care what you do.
You don't have a mirror in here. Why not?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
It's a mirror.
It's a mirror.
Barely.
You want to see a mirror? Go in my mom's room.
No, I'll go in your bathroom. And I close it and you have an itch. 1 sec.
What is... Did you just say you have an itch?
For the last time, just kidding. I already scratched my back.
Yeah. That's what they all say, right? Okay. I think I got it. Bye-bye.
Come on.